Every now and then, somebody walks in the room and the whole
Welcome
energy
back,
just
beautiful
changes.
babes. Sweet Angel here. Listen, it's SLAYVEMBER, and SLAYVEMBER is all about taking care of thyself, okay? Listen, one thing we're going to take care of is the hair, the skin, the body, all of that. And thanks to the hair diagram for partnering with me on today's video, because I got some new products I wanted to mention to you all. I had to check them out, use it for a while, and let me tell you, baby, let's talk about it. Let's talk about it today. First, let's start off with the styling mousse with Frizz Control from the Ashley Marie collection by the hair diagram. Because when you use this, your hair is about to start behaving real nice, okay? You know how sometimes your hair just want to act up, looking dry, looking frizzy, and doing its own thing? Yeah, that's over. Once you run this mousse through your strands, it's like your hair finally understood the assignment. You'll feel it working right away. Fast drying, no sticky mess, no flakes, and your hair still feels soft and silky. You can style it however you want. When you're doing a slick ponytail, laying your curls down, or blowing it out, it adds that body bounce and shine that makes your hair look healthy and alive. And listen, this mousse don't play when it comes to keeping things smooth. You know how some products make your hair crunchy or stiff? Not this one. It keeps your hair looking fresh, touchable, and moisturized without weighing it down. No breakage, no tugging, no drama. Just good hair days. Plus, it's gentle enough that if you're using it around your little ones, you're covered. But hey, check with your pediatrician first. But it's designed with care, so everyone can have that silky, shiny finish without worry. So if you're tired of dealing with frizz and dull hair, go ahead and try the Ashley Marie Collection Styling Mousse. It's giving salon style results right at home. No flakes, no frustration, just fabulous hair, baby. Just fabulous hair. And along with that, did I mention these were gifted to me just to try out? But I'm loving them so much that I gotta go in my wallet. I gotta get more of these, because guess what? They also sent me the Ashley Marie Collection Curl Cream. Yes, by the hair diagram. Y'all, it's that girl. I'm not exaggerating. From the moment you scoop it out the jar, you can tell she's packed with all the good stuff. Avocado oil, sunflower oil, and shea butter. Y'all, I've been trying to whip up and mix up my own stuff because I've just not been satisfied. But let me tell you, this right here, yeah, it's that girl. No heavy buildup, no crunchiness, just soft, juicy curls that move when you move. I'm telling you. So here's what I did. I applied a nice amount to my damp hair. And baby, the slip was incredible. My curls instantly started popping like they were saying it's thank you. If your hair ever feels dry, frizzy, or just tired, this cream brings it right back to life. It adds moisture. It adds shine and definition without weighing your hair down. And can we talk about the lemon myrtle scent? Ooh, it's giving fresh, clean, and confident, like you just stepped out of the salon, even if you didn't leave your bathroom. The best part is sulfate-free, paraben-free, cruelty-free, and color-safe, because y'all know, girl, I'm a bleach bombshell. So you can feel good knowing it's made with clean, natural ingredients that love your hair back. Whether your curls are tight, loose, or somewhere in between, this cream helps define them, tame the frizz, and keeps that bounce on point all day. It's like a moisture hug for your hair. So if you've been searching for that one product that keeps your curls hydrated, soft, and looking like you just walked out of a hair commercial, baby, this is it. This is it. Go ahead, grab these products, y'all. They have so many more. I wish I could have tried them all, but this is what I was gifted, so I'm just sharing what I know thus far. But for sure, I want more products. I do want more products, because, hey, if y'all don't know, you don't know. But if I had them to tell you about them, I would definitely do that. So stay tuned here for more updates on what else I try next. And thank me later when your curls start showing off. Okay, let's get into today's self-care, self-love, self-everything. Okay, girl got to take care of herself, y'all. Hold up. That was getting real good, but wait a minute. I've got to pause for a second and talk about this Farini black loofah on a stick. You know how sometimes you hop in the shower thinking you're about to have a little spa moment, but your regular washcloth just ain't doing it? Yeah, that was me. That's where this baby comes through. You grab that long handle, smooth wood, non-slip grip, and instantly you feel like royalty. You don't even have to stretch or twist your arm like you're in a workout class. You just reach, scrub, and baby, that soft mesh leather hits differently. It's gentle but still gets you real clean, leaving your skin feeling smooth and refreshed. You know how those little short loofahs always slip or fall apart after 2 uses? Not this one. It's sturdy. The mesh is thick but soft, and that rubber grip handle keeps it from sliding out of your hands. So no more chasing your loofah across the shower floor. And when you're done, it's got this cute little string so you can hang it up to dry nice and neat. No mess, no mildew vibes, just clean and classy. So if you've been struggling to reach your back or just want to level up your shower routine, this loofah on a stick is your new bestie. It's perfect for everyday use, whether you're trying to glow up for date night or just unwind after a long day. Trust, once you use it, you'll be like, where has this been all my life? Now back to regular programming.
You know what they say. You know what they say. When she walks in, the air just shifts. Ain't no spell, ain't no trick. It's just that woman's magic. Yeah, come on now. She don't chase nobody. She don't beg no love. She know her worth. She's lifted up above. Got that soft and that strong. She's the perfect mix. When she looks your way, boy, your heartbeat skips. She ain't got to say a word. Her presence speaks. Got that power in her walk, that truth when she speaks. You can't box her in, she's too divine. That woman's magic will mess with your mind. That woman's magic. Ooh, yeah. Got the kind of love that'll heal your pain. That woman's magic. Oh, yeah. Got fire in her soul. And peace in her veins. She learned to forgive. She let go of the past so she could live. Got that Sunday spirit and that Friday swing. Every move she makes is a sacred dance. Every dream she touches gets a second chance. She don't dim her shine for nobody's view. She's the light, the love, the breakthrough. That woman's magic. she do. Ain't nobody else got that kind of magic. She's got that magic. She's got that magic. Ooh, yeah, she do. She's got that magic. From her heart to her shoes. She's got that magic. You can feel it in the groove. That woman's love will see you play it, baby. Yeah. Yeah. Let that spirit move. That's the sound of a strong woman. And still you rise with grace. That ain't luck, baby. That's magic. That's magic.